Hi friends, now I'm going to show the a small expo on the electronic devices. What are the electronic devices or for the expo of the devices? Now I will show the devices. This is a one small circuit, and we are seeing the resistor, capacitor, diode, inductor, thyristor, transistors, cell, battery, and a small circuit which the resistor, battery, and the positive energy will be flowing through from the circuit from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. And here the some of the expo of the electronic devices. Now I am showing you practically. This is the inductor and the battery. Here we are having the 9-volt battery, positive terminal, negative terminal. Here we can show the 9-volt battery for radio purpose, for watches, for calculator purpose. This is the high watt HW battery. Okay, this is the divide is the positive, negative. Here we are showing the different types of resistors. This is a resistor, and this is the fuse, and this is the capacitors, and this is the one type of the battery. The company is some different company. Okay, this is the 9-volt battery. Here we can see the 9-volt battery, and these are the cells which we are used in the batteries, watches, calculators, electronic devices, computer devices, keyboards, mouse, like that. This is the small expo. Now I am going to get some knowledge for the students who are studying their IT students or whatever, the engineering students or diploma students. They will get some knowledge on the devices. These are the capacitor you are showing. I am showing. This is the capacitor. This is the transistors, and this is the thyristor, and these are the button type of cell. Okay, inside we are having the positive terminal, and the cap, outside of the cap is the negative terminal. This I want to show the small expo. We'll get some knowledge on the electronic devices. A small expo I am showing is here. You can watch the inductor, battery, okay, transistors, thyristor, okay, diode. These are the diode I am showing you. These are the diode. This is the diode. You'll get some knowledge. Some students, they don't know. Some students or some people, they don't know what are the devices. What they are, simply they are listening, but they are what is the diode, how the thyristor will be there. Simply they are listening what is the transistors and how the structure of the transistor is there. What is the shape? Physically they are not seen. Just they are listening. See, just I want to get some knowledge on this. A small video. Thank you for watching this video. Hello friends, now I am going to explain about the topic today, basics of electronics and electrical devices. Electronic devices nowadays we are using many. Presently in a new generation we are using the many electronic devices for robotics, whatever it for controlling equipments, for automatic devices, for automatic controlling purpose. Like this application, so many applications we are using the electronic devices. Some of the basic electronic devices now I am going to explain. The following electronic equipments. First of all, the electronics is a combination of the electric and electronics. Electrical, they will work on electrical energy. Okay, based upon the electrical energy utilized by the electronic device. Some of the electronic devices which we are using in our daily life, which are the resistors, capacitor, diode, inductor, thyristor, and transistors, cells, next batteries. In this we are using the electrical energy by using the devices. Actually these are the up to the transistor, these are the electronic devices which we are using in the many applications, for controlling applications, okay, for robotics, for automatic purposes. For example, from for television we are using the remote control. For the remote to operate the remote to the TV, there will be the input will be by the remote. We are switch on the remote, whatever the channel we are want to see, we are using the input is the remote, and the output we are seeing in the television. Okay, now we are seeing, first of all, now I'm going to explain about the, just this is the only the basic introduction of the electronic devices. Okay, this is the resistors. Practically we can see that this is the resistors, these are the transistor, inductor. These are the different types of transistors, thyristors, and electrical fuse. Now I want to show the practical of the devices, and these are the battery. The battery having the positive this red wire is the positive terminal and the black wire is the negative terminal. This is the battery which we are using for the small practical applications. This is the 9-volt battery, and this is the normal cells we are using for the purpose. For example, in the electronic devices we are using this cells. It is having the positive, this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Okay, inside we are having the chemical. That chemical the energy will be used for the watches, calculators to run the machine. And these are the capacitors. These are the, there are different types of capacitors we are using. These are the capacitors. Okay, now here we can see the, this is one small circuit. Here this is the battery which will convert the chemical energy to the electrical energy. Here the energy is a conversion of one form of energy to the another form. The energy neither be created nor destroyed. It can be converted one form of energy into another form. Energy is neither be created nor destroyed. Actually the energy is in the nature given by the God. That energy we are using for the conversion of from one form of energy to another form of energy. Okay, that may be the different types of batteries, and this you can see the pin type, button type of cells, which are this button type of cells we are using in the calculators, watches, and normal these batteries will be used for the many practical applications for schools and colleges. And normal cells, this is also called cells, which we are using it for wall clocks, calculators, and keyboards, some computer devices, electronic devices which we are using these cells. And this is the, I want to show the diode. This is the diode, and I'm using another diode. Okay, the purpose of the diode is used as a switch which will allows the only one side. The diode is a device, electronic device, which will allows the only one side flowing of current, another side it will block the current. That is the purpose of the diode. Diode will act as a switch. Okay, meanwhile we are going for the transistors. Okay, transistors, we are having the 3 terminals. There will be emitter, base, collector. Emitter, base, collector. The picture, the transistor here, you can see the transistor which is having the 3 terminals. Okay, emitter, base, collector, 3 terminals. Okay, and thyristors. Okay, thyristors, transistors. The transistor is which will amplify the currents. Okay, when comparing to the transistors and the thyristors, thyristor will be used for the controlling of the higher voltages and higher currents can be controlled by the thyristors. Okay, next, this is the inductor. Okay, inductor, we are having the 2 terminals which will stores the energy in the form of magnetic field. Okay, inductor will stores the energy in the inductor Okay, here inductor will store the energy in the magnetic form. Inductor energy will be stored in the magnetic form. Okay, and again I am going to explain about the capacitor. Okay, capacitor can be stored the energy in the form of a electrical form. Okay, capacitor. This is the capacitor. The capacitor can be stored the energy in the form of electrical energy. Okay, and a fuse is, it is used a controlling device. It is protection device which can be controlled the device from the any higher currents. Okay, which can break the circuit. Flowing of higher currents can break by using the fuse. Is the controlling device which can be controlled by the, means it will not damage or it will not over voltage. If higher currents will go, the equipment may be get damaged. That purpose we are using the fuse is a controlling purpose. Fuse, it is one type of protection. Okay, and the resistor. Okay, resistor will be used for the to restrict the flow of electrons. Resistor is a control. Without resistance there will be no opposing. Okay, resistors, like for example, if you are going a very high speed, okay, in the, for example, on the school roads there will be, we are using the speed breakers. Okay, speed breakers will, whenever the buses or whenever the bikes or whenever the some vehicles control coming very fast, whenever it will come near to the speed breaker, it will, the vehicle will becomes from a high speed to, it will decrease its speed. Why? Because there will be breaker in front of the schools and hospitals. Okay, like that means it will reduce the speed breakers. That is example. Resistor is the to restrict the flow of electrons, means it will oppose. Okay, it will oppose the electrons. It will restrict the flow of electrons. That is the purpose of the resistor. Okay, now the capacitor, which will store the energy in the form of a magnetic field. Energy is stored in a magnetic field. Electric field. Electric field. Okay, the energy can be stored in the electric field. Where inductors, it is stored the energy in the form of magnetic field. Okay, this is the only just introduction of the some of the basics in the electronics and electrical. Okay, so electrical and electronics are the combination of the in the engineering stream. Both by using the semiconductor devices, we are using the device will be used the energy. Okay, that is energy. For example, if you are using the capacitor to store the electrical energy in the form of electrical. Okay, inductor in the form of the magnetic field. Okay, diode is a act as a switch. Okay, transistors, okay, it will allow the, which magnify the currents. Okay, signals. Okay, in the PCB boards, printed circuit boards, in electronic boards, circuit boards. Okay, but transistors having the classified into the two types: field effect transistors, and a field effect transistor is a voltage control device. BJT is a current control device. Okay, in that one there we are having the three terminals: emitter, base, collector. Okay, whenever if we are going for the thyristor, we are having the, okay, anode, cathode, gate. Okay, anode, cathode, gate. This is the inductor. This is the batteries, capacitor, different types of cells. This is the button type of cell. This is the button type of cells. Okay, field effect is a field effect transistor, which is a voltage control device. BJT, bijunction transistor, which is a current control devices. Okay, no, I am going to just explain the small circuit. Here the resistor, this is the positive terminal. The positive energy will flow through the circuit like this. Okay, it will reach us to the here. Positive energy is flowing through the circuit. Okay, this is the resistance. Resistance is the to restrict the flow of electrons. These are the just introduction of the basics of the electronics and electrical. Okay, electronic devices, electronic equipments. In the next classes, we going just I will go to the some of the important means importance of the devices and what are these features and characteristics. Please subscribe the channel and please share the channel. Please watch the videos. Please encourage the to me to give more videos on this one. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.